Welcome to Guided Angelic Energy Cleaning. The cleaning which you can do daily to uplift your spirits, to feel lighter, to feel easier. Cleaning which will help you to stay away from the major stress, which will help you to clear your daily stresses. Cleaning where angels, your guardian angels, Archangel Michael, they are here to assist you. Cleaning where we call upon angels, we call upon guardian angels, we call upon Archangel Michael to assist us in this powerful cleaning. So we are ready. We start with deep inhaling and exhaling. Deep inhaling and exhaling. Deep inhaling and exhaling. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale with an intention of connecting with your guardian angel. Inhale with intention of connecting with Archangel Michael. Inhale with intention of asking these angels to assist you today, right now, for your cleansing. Today, right now, for your cleansing. We can feel the angels around. You can ask your angels, your guardian angels, to give you a sign. It can be a sensation. It can be a pinch. It can be later a feather, angel numbers, pennies, which you'll find. Your angels will tell you that they are around. They were around. Now, we call upon Archangel Michael to come forward with his band of angels and cleanse the energy of our room. It is as if the thick stream of white light is flowing from left to right, left to right, left to right in our room, cleansing the energy of the room. All the heavy energies which are stored in our room, all the heavy energies which are stored in our space due to stressful thoughts, arguments, emotional outbreaks, they are all being cleansed by Archangel Michael. They are all being cleansed by Archangel Michael's energy. So it is flowing from left to right, left to right, left to right. It is flowing from left to right, left to right, left to right in our room, clearing all the dense energies, and these energies goes into earth for transmutation into peace. We can feel our room lighter, our space lighter. Now, we allow Archangel Michael to cleanse our aura, It is like a thick beam of white light, which feels like a stream of water. Thick beam of white light, which feels like a stream of water, flows from top to bottom. That is, it flows through our head, face, neck, shoulders, chest, back, thighs, legs, feet, and as it flows through from top to bottom, it cleanses. It cleanses our energy. It cleanses our energy, our aura. It cleanses. It cleanses our aura. All the heavy energies which are there in our aura due to daily stress, due to our day's stress, we are ready to release. We are ready to release all the stresses we are holding on, all the stresses which we are holding on, which is there in our aura. Because our aura is sensitive, our aura can hold all our thoughts, all our stresses. It can also absorb stresses of other people, which we are ready to release. We are ready to release. We are ready to release. So, as this white light, heavy, dense white light, flows from our top of our head, top of our head, top of our head, it flows down, 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 down. It is cleansing all the dense energies which are there in our aura, all the dense energies which are there in our aura, all the dense energies which are there in our aura. As the dense energies are cleared, the dense energies goes into earth. All the dense energies, stressful energies, which we were holding on today because of today's work, today's activity, today's arguments, today's challenges, they all goes into earth for transmutation into peace. Our aura is lighter, lighter and lighter. Now, we call upon Archangel Michael to clear the dense energy from our energy field. Dense energy which we have accumulated over the day, the dense energies which we have accumulated over the day because of our communications, because of our stresses, challenges, running around. All the dense energies which we have accumulated, we are ready to release those dense energies. So, we allow Archangel Michael to fit a big vacuum on the top of our head. Big vacuum on the top of our head. And we allow Archangel Michael to vacuum away all the dense energies. All the dense energies which are there in our energy field. All the dense energies which are there in our energy field. We are ready to release these dense energies. We are ready to release. So these dense energies of stress, anxiety, pain, they are all being pulled up. They are all being pulled up. They are like a thick black paste which is being pulled up from your feet, up from your feet, legs, thighs, back, chest, shoulders, neck, face. They are being pulled up and up, slowly. The dense energies are being pulled up. The dense energies are being pulled up. And as these dense energies are being pulled up, slowly it is moving up, and through the top of your head, that is through the crown chakra. It goes into the vacuum, and from vacuum it goes into the earth for transmutation into peace. We are ready to release more because we want to feel more and more lighter, more and more energized, more and more peaceful, more and more peaceful. So, we allow Archangel Michael to put more of these dense energies from our feet, legs, thighs, back, chest, arms, hands, neck, face. So it is slowly a thick black paste of these dense energies are being pulled up, 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 up. It is being pulled up, 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 and goes into the earth for transmutation into peace. It is being pulled up, 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 and goes into the earth for transmutation into peace. It is being pulled up, 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 goes into the earth for transmutation into peace. As it is being pulled up, it goes into the earth for transmutation into peace. Our energy is becoming lighter, lighter and lighter. Now we allow Archangel Michael to fill our energy field with a thick white paste which is holding the energy of peace and calmness, because we want to fill our energy with peace and calmness, which is able to help us to connect with ourselves, our brighter side, and also to connect with universal energies. So we allow Archangel Michael now to fill our energy field with a thick white paste holding the energy of peace and calmness. So the thick white paste slowly flows through your face, neck, shoulders, arms, hands, chest, back, thighs, feet. It slowly flows from top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom. You can feel a calming white paste, a soothing white paste, calming, soothing white paste flowing throughout your body, slowly settling down in your feet, legs, thighs, back, chest, neck, face. It is slowly settling down. As it slowly settles down, we are lighter, easier, calmer, more connected with self, more connected with universal energies. We stay with this beautiful, calming energy. And now we call upon our guardian angels to come near us. We allow Archangel Michael to remove this vacuum which is fitted on our head. The vacuum is removed. We are easier, calmer, soothed. We are easier, calmer, centered, more at peace with ourselves and with universal energies. Our guardian angel is around us. And we call upon our guardian angel to give us a message which is most relevant for us at this stage. We request our guardian angel to go to Divine, get the message from Divine which is most relevant for us at this stage. Message which can be in the form of a thought, vision, feeling, We are waiting. We are waiting for our message. We thank our guardian angel. We thank Archangel Michael, all other angels, masters, ascended masters, Sun God, who have assisted us in this session. And we set an intention that may this session brings blessings to all. Blessings to all. We are now refreshed, energized, cleansed, lighter, calmer, positive, happy. And we can open our eyes when comfortable. Thank you. Do like and subscribe for weekly guided meditations.
Thank you for being there with me. Thank you for giving yourself this time. And you can note down how you're feeling. And we are all set to get back to work. See you again. Bye-bye.